Omani Abali has been off-screen of late, and she has decided to keep quiet about it. She has not been getting the scripts in the last few months and nothing has been heard about her acting career. Just making around town has it the actress' husband is not happy about the industry and he has stopped encouraging his wife from continuing with acting except she gets international scripts. On why she stopped producing movies also, the hovering bird heard that, as much as the actress would love to produce more movies, she still needs the support of her husband, who is not ready to fund any at the moment. Omani needs all the permissions from her husband to do her job, so please she doesn't care what you. At least she got her first kiss from him. So Omani Abali, actress and producer, started her career while still in school, University of Benin, where she studied foreign languages and majoring in French. She shot her first film in 1996. She got married after graduating and returned to her first love, movies 10 years later. Too Long or What Do You Think? In 2010 she won the award for Best Actress Narrative Feature at the Los Angeles Movie Awards, and the award for Best Actress at the Harlem International Film Festival. She was nominated for the Best Actress in a Leading Role award at the 2011 African Movie Academy Awards. 2010 saw Abali feature in the award-winning film The Figurine, also won her the Best Picture award at the 2010 African Movie Academy Awards. Can't wait to hear from you, Omani Aproko City.